Argyle meth and murder. Yeah. You in here, right?
Yeah, I'm here.
I definitely just like.
Oh, no, yeah, I'm here. Trey Lance, that's your boy.
That is my boy. I do anything for him. Even murder. Trey.
Najee. Najee. Oh shit.
I don't want Najee. Picking up him.
Germs.
Argyle meth and murder.
You should give me that 82. Murder. Oh shit. Who is this nigga? Oh, 88. That's a good pack, Aaron.
That's okay.
Full legend. Original full legend.
No.
No.
You know, EA said, baby.
Booty.
My bad.
You all good, man.
Changed my what's the names last night. If he.
Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? Never mind.
I didn't even mean to do that. Okay.
This might be full legend, bro.
I don't know.
This might be a full legend, bro. You can make intro.
Last one.
Last one, no.
The best look at all.
Let's see.
That's good. Boom.
Can I have it? 85.
I like these way better. Drake Jackson. That name seems so funny.
JJ Watt.
Yeah, it's name.
That does not sound real. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna just open it up tomorrow.
Well, you definitely be rich. He got 15. I think it's 15 plus.
Oh,
Oh,
you see why I like these packs better?
Jesus
I like these packs so much better. Wow.
This nigga just pulled a full legend.
Wow.
I told you a full legend was in your future.
Give me a kiss. Whoa, what the fuck? Tyler over here being on that weird. You see, like, it's the first one I ever. So upset. Wow. Okay. That was really good. I imagine I skipped the animation too. Oh, I would have been pissed. Oh man.
I would have been mad for you. I was like, why the fuck?
Yeah, I'm like, why am I, like, what's happening?
That's so good. They're crack.
I've had like my best luck with these ones more than any other.
No way, bro. Okay, that's still good.
Ew, Ryan Tannehill.
Ryan Tannehill.
He just lost his job. My bad.
So black man. Sorry?
I don't know if he's there. No, I don't think he's a starter. I wouldn't think he's a starter.
I would not start him in my life.
I forgot the coach's name, but he was hating, like really hating.
Oh, he said.
I was like, was it 2 touchdowns? Like,
yeah.
No way you're hating.
Or maybe it was 1. I'm not sure. He definitely ran that bitch in twice. Elijah Moore. Murder.
It wasn't me. It was the Kingpin. Da. Fitz, no, you're not the Kingpin.
I've been a GM. This nigga
glamorous. Oh, Jamar Chase has better hands than Odell.
That's a crazy thing.
It's the funniest thing I've ever heard in my life.
86ers.
No. See, like, good.
Oh.
Are the Bucks like the team where people like retire and be like, yeah, let's get a ring right here? I think he's old. He has to be old, right? Yeah.
What? No. There.
I want to watch.
80.
I really want to watch some One Piece. I didn't finish. Maybe some Fire Force.
Oh shit.
The Kingpin.
Kingpin. Oh shit.
Oh shit.